Hi everybody, here's the video for the brand new, as of 2022, 3/4 mass band settings. You'll see each instrument represented on each line: snare, tenor, bass, snare, tenor, bass. This is part 1. You'll notice repeat marks at the end of each line, just like we had before with the 3/4s. This is part 1, this is part 2. You'll also see the unison markings, the brackets or chips or seconds, whatever you like to call them. So on the first time through, you have unison. On the second time through, all play. And then you go to the second line with unison and then with all play, and we move on to the second part, okay? So here's how that first line sounds. You'll recognize most of this. Most of these things you already play: flams, 7s, 13s. Not a lot different except for those couple of little dot cut patterns. We'll work those out right now. Here's the first line. So you notice that first measure from the flam to the flam in bar 2 is exactly the same as we had before, right? Flam, 7, 13, flam. And then you've got a 7-stroke going into that dot cut pattern. So let's do that dot cut pattern just a couple times. Here's how it sounds. And. Make sure your sticking is right. Because if you get your sticking mixed up when we get up to some higher speeds, it could trip up your hands. All right, so here's the first part with the repeats. Ready, and. Repeat that line. Line 2. Repeat. Here's the second part. Repeating line 3. Last line. Repeat the last line, then we'll break it down. So breaking down that second part, if you want to look at the third line of music. So when you look at that count, it's 1 and 2 and 3 E, a 1. 1 and 2 and 3 E, a 1. Ready, play. 1 and 2 and 3 E, a 1. Ready, play. 1 and 2 and 3 E, a 1. Okay, so let's try that line together. Ready, and. 1 and 2 and 3 E, a 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 E, and. So there's your 3/4 mass band snare settings for 2022. Enjoy.